If you're 40 and up, some people say, "Oh, you shouldn't make music if or you're too old to make music if you're 40 and up." You are never too old to make music as long as you have an audience. So, if you are 40 and up and you're still making music, if you find that the younger people like your music, you can still target them, but I would target your peers. I would target those who are 40 and up because a lot of times people who are 40 and up do not like the new music that's out. They're used to, the music from the 80s, the music from the 90s. They're used to a different sound. And you're creating that sound. That's the best way to get new fans by targeting your peers.